Said, you should not eat that. It's a crayon. It's a crayon. No, it's wrong. You should not. No, 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 no. No, 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 don't eat that.
Assalamu alaikum dear all. Welcome back to my channel Golden Bird NJ and I'm Naz. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a newborn essentials, things which I ordered from Amazon when my baby was 2 months old. So I recorded this video a long back, but I'm posting it now. So first is this baby pacifier. It's from Mimi and it comes in a shield cover like this. Now it's totally dependent on a mother's choice whether to give a baby pacifier or not. In my case, I gave it actually to my son and it keeps him calm and soothing. Now my baby is almost going to turn 2 years old and he has left pacifiers. So you can see this Mimi pacifier, it comes as two pacifiers in a shield, and for each pacifier they have given protective cover as well, so it's travel friendly. And I ordered it for 524 rupees. It comes in orthodontic shape and it's made of silicone. This orthodontic shape prevents the problem of lifting upper jawline, upper teeth and upper lips of your baby. It actually develops the speech of your baby. So you can definitely go for it, and it's totally tasteless. It doesn't have any taste and it's flexible. So it was a, like, I used it for almost 1 year. I don't have to buy any other pacifier of the world. And the next thing which I ordered is fruit nibbler. You can use it in two ways. Like, one is to make your baby play with the rings on the top. It comes as a ring and you can use it as a teether as well when you give to your baby. And the downside, there is a lid which you can open, and if there is any fruit, for example orange, you have to put all the pieces and just give to your baby. He can suck the nipple which is downwards. It's made of silicone and it's tasteless. Silicone is like very flexible material, so if you can give to your baby, he can just nibble it in his mouth, so only the juice of that fruit goes in his mouth. So you can only give to your baby after 6 months, not before that. I bought it beforehand because I can use it to make my baby play. So it is like two-way advantage for us. You can make your baby play until 5 months with these rings on the top. Then after 6 months you can use it to feed your baby. And the next one is baby rub Vicks Vapor Rub. I ordered from Amazon, which comes in affordable price, and I used to apply to my baby under his elbows and to his hair. It doesn't have that strong smell as that of other wigs. It has a fresh mint smell and it doesn't hurt your baby's eyes or skin when you apply on him. So it was very good go to buy this. I actually loved it. Whenever I apply it to my baby, he will sleep very sound. I apply it on his toes, under his feet and all. And the next thing is baby plus chair. It's actually for babies to train them to sit. So they have given two holes here to insert the legs of babies here and make him sit. They have given back support for the babies to sit down. It's actually used while the baby is 5 months old, but I ordered beforehand because I can make the baby sleep as well on this. They will be so tiny, so you can, yeah, make him sleep on this. The material is velvet and it's very soft. I ordered it in I think like 650 to 700. The accurate price I will just give here later. And the next beneficial thing was this toothbrush for newborns. It is very useful thing. Actually, it's made of silicone and it has two sides. One is for the tongue of baby and one is for the teeth. The first side is this bristles. So it's like a rubber elastic, so you can insert it and wear it in your finger, and then you can wash your baby's teeth and bristles. It's very smooth. At the back side of this, it's like a small dots they have given for rubbing it on the tongue of your baby. I actually very much loved it, and the price I will just display it here. And the next thing I ordered was this Omron digital thermometer, which you can use under arms of baby to check it, and it takes only 5 seconds, less than 5 seconds to show the reading, and it's very accurate. I trust this thermometer. I am still using it, and you can set it to degrees or Fahrenheit. And the next thing I ordered was this manicure pedicure set for the baby. As you know, the newborn is full of the waste skin on his hair, which comes as it is, but you have to remove sometimes, and especially the nails of newborn. So I got it. It's made of stainless steel, and I'm using it. And yes, I have to sterilize it before usage. Not only this, every material which I'm using for the baby, you have to sterilize it. And the price I forgot actually for that. And the next thing which I ordered was this baby bearing set with pillow and the mosquito net. It was like actually affordable and very good. I used it till almost like 9 to 10 months of my baby, and the material was very soft, a velvet material, and the net is not at all harsh if you touch the net. And for a newborn, you have to protect him from the mosquitoes, so this is a must buy for all the newborn, especially if the mother is staying at the hospital. And the thing which I got next was this multi-purpose baby blanket. They come in shapes, customized shapes, but I got this free size because you cannot know, your baby will be growing too fast. So I got this free size, and the material was kind of fleece material which doesn't hurt the skin of your baby. So I just loved it. I used it, and still I have it, so I can use it for my toddler as well. Last but not the least, I ordered is this Huggies pants, diapers, and this Snuggles wet wipes. It comes in a pack of 6, and it's made of aloe vera fresh wet wipes. I love the fragrance. I used to order only these wipes, and the price is very affordable. And the Huggies diapers, it's like 700 to 800 rupees. I used to order only this. It's very good for the baby. Like in terms of water soakage and all, Huggies was very best. So I hope you guys like this video. If yes, so please give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.